Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we are going to learn 3 kanji in this video. Our first kanji is the kanji of division, part or minute. This is our first kanji. Second kanji is the kanji of power, force, ability. And third kanji is the kanji of room. So this is our third kanji which we are going to learn. So let's start with the first kanji. Our first kanji is division, part, minute. Hajime Masho. Guys, we can see here this kanji have only 4 strokes which we have to follow to make this kanji. Strokes are here: ichi, ichi ni san, yon. Let's make practice for the strokes. Ichi ni san yon. Ichi ni san yon. Let's make before the final time. Ichi ni san yon. One more time. Ichi ni san yon. So now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Guys, I have mentioned in Romaji as well so that we can understand easily. So kunyomi of this kanji are wa, wakareru, wakaru. This is written in Romaji as well, and wakeru. Basically kunyomi is only wa. These are the extra addition words, so we will understand accordingly. And onyomi of this kanji are bun, bu, fun, pon, written in Romaji as well. So now let's move to the meanings of this kanji. Here, if we are writing this kanji as a prefix and as a suffix, we are writing keru, which we have studied in kunyomi. So it would become wakeru, written in Romaji. Wakeru means to divide, and this is the dictionary form of wakemas. We have already studied about the dictionary form, how to make dictionary form. I'll drop the link in description. This is the dictionary form. This is the dictionary form. Our second meaning is wakaru. Here we are writing this kanji as a prefix with karu, then it would become wakaru, which means to understand, and this is also the dictionary form of wakarimasu. We have heard so many times wakarimashita, wakarimasen, wakarimasuka. So this is wakaru. Our third meaning is this is the kanji of 5 and this is the kanji of minute. If you are writing these 2 kanji together, these would be pronounced as gofun, which means 5 minutes. I'll drop the link in description for the kanji of 5, and this is the kanji of 6. I'll drop the link in description for both. Here, if you are writing these 2 kanji together, these would be pronounced as roppun, written in Romaji as well. Roppun means 6 minutes. So guys, this was the kanji of minute. Now let's move to our second kanji, the kanji of power, force, ability. So guys, we can see here this kanji have only 2 strokes which we have to follow to make this kanji. Ichi, ichi ni. So let's do practice for the strokes of this kanji. Ichi ni, ichi ni, ichi ni, ichi ni. Guys, this looks like ka of katakana, so please don't be confused. Now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. So kunyomi of this kanji is chikara, and onyomi of this kanji is ryoku and riki. Chikara, written in Romaji as well, ryoku and riki. So now let's move to directly to the meanings of this kanji. Here we will learn 3 meanings of this kanji. Our first meaning is if you are writing this kanji alone without any suffix or prefix, then we will pronounce it as chikara. Here you can see there is no suffix, no prefix, and chikara means power. And our second kanji is, here we have written jitsu as a prefix and our kanji as a suffix. If you are writing these 2 things together, these would be pronounced as jitsu ryoku, which means one's real ability. And our final meaning is here, this is the kanji of Gaku study, and this is our kanji of power. If you are writing these two kanji together, these would be pronounced as Riki Gaku, which means dynamics. I'll drop the link in description for this kanji. So this was the kanji of power. Now let's move to our final kanji. Here guys, we can see that this kanji have 9 strokes, so it would be difficult to make, so please focus on the strokes, that how to make. Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon go, ichi ni san yon go roku, ichi ni san yon go roku nana, ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi, and the final one is ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi kyu. And so this kanji have 9 strokes. This is the final kanji which is having 9 strokes. Now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Guys, this kanji don't have any kunyomi, so this have only onyomi, and onyomi of this kanji is shitsu, written in romaji as well. So now let's move to the meanings of this kanji. Here we will learn 3 meanings for this kanji. Our first meaning of this kanji is here, if you are writing this kanji as a suffix with kyo. Kyo also have different kanji, we will study about it later. So these would be pronounced as kyoshitsu. Kyoshitsu means a classroom. And in our second meaning, here we are writing this kanji as a prefix with nai. Nai also have different kanji. So if you are writing these two kanji together, these would be pronounced as shitsunai, which means indoor. And the final age, here we are writing this kanji as a suffix again, and there are 2 different words, ken and q. Ken have different kanji, q have different kanji. We will study about these two later. If you are writing these 3 together, these will be pronounced as ken q shitsu. Ken q shitsu, which means an office or a seminar hall. So guys, this was the kanji of room. This was our final kanji. I hope you guys have understood these kanji and their meanings and their stroke orders. Then please drop your comments in comment box. Please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Jamata.